Hey guys, it's Beth with Rockstar Reviews. We're going to review an amazing product. Take it away, Adam.
Today we've got a really fun set of products for you today. It actually comes to us from Smile Vegan Style. And see if you can get that on screen. Actually, light's a little awkward on it. But we're going to show you how to whiten your teeth. And you know, I never intended to be an on-screen guy. I never had any desires to be YouTube famous or put my face on the internet. But as it turned out, I've got this little media company and people keep coming to me and they say, hey, would you talk about this product, or would you check this out, or hey, tell us about such and such. And it seems to have taken off. So one of the most requested things that we get from our fans, you guys, is, hey Adam, why do you have such white teeth? So there's a couple things that I'm going to share with you on how to get whiter teeth. Now, truthfully, a lot of different teeth whitening products actually do work very well. My girl, Jeanette, my dog, is sniffing around behind us, so she might make a cameo here in a moment. But there's a lot of really good products that work very well, but the key is finding the one that works for you, the one that's comfortable, the one that fits well, and we've got a good one, so I wanted to share it with you. But yeah, a lot of people ask me, hey, how do you keep your teeth very white? And our goal is to meet the demand of you, the viewer. So if you have something you want us to talk about, leave us a comment below. If there's a particular product or type of product that you're interested in, you like a certain type of video, leave us a comment below. I always like reading your comments. We're gonna get to this here in a second. So, Smile Vegan Style, I'm just gonna go through their instructions because they sent a kit of all sorts of different things. Why did they send a black toothbrush? You're about to find out. So it says, brush your teeth for 2 minutes with a charcoal toothpaste. And what they've done that's unique and different, that I very much like, is, there we go, they've come up with a charcoal toothpaste. Now most companies have a charcoal powder that they'll sell you, and you dip your toothbrush in it, and then you brush your teeth. And I'll try to put some footage in the corner of me using the product here later. But the issues with the powder is that it gets everywhere. Like, I'm not a big fan of the powder. It works very well. Charcoal works well to brighten your teeth. However, the powder form gets everywhere, where the actual toothpaste itself is just like normal toothpaste. It's easy to keep in your mouth and not get all over your sink and counter, and that's the big thing with charcoal powder. So first thing, and the reason why I like this particular brand, is because they've isolated the charcoal, put it into toothpaste, easier to use, less messy. So kudos to them. Next up, the product actually comes with a toothbrush that is, I mean, first off, it's wood, so good for the environment, but it's also got black bristles, because the thing that I've noticed before is when I've used charcoal powder, it pretty much ruins your toothbrush. It stains it black, it's gross, it's disgusting looking. They give you a toothbrush that you can dedicate just to their charcoal toothpaste. And the bottom line is, with charcoal toothpaste, just like with powder, it does get your mouth super duper clean. Like, it's that fresh from the dentist feeling. So kudos for two strong innovations there. Now it says remove the clear insert from the battery compartment and use this. Now they've got a teeth whitening, brightening device here. Now one of the keys, a lot of people, I've heard this from different companies and stuff, a lot of people say that consumers forget to take, there's a little piece of plastic that keeps the battery from dying when it's in storage. Take the little plastic out and then you can go ahead and use this to brighten your teeth. Place up to 1 cc of gel in the whitening cap and brush gently onto each tooth. Now this, actually, they came with, or they sent me, Smile Vegan Style, sent me some teeth whitening paste as well. Now, obviously you can put this on directly to your teeth. They give you a little brush and you can apply it on the brush as well. So they've come up with a couple different ways that you can brighten your teeth. And it seems like what they're saying is the best way to do it is maybe do a little bit of everything. Use the charcoal toothpaste, use the teeth whitening gel, which 100% use teeth whitening gel. It's the same stuff that Crest White Strips uses probably in terms of it just works. This whitening gel does work. You can apply it with a toothbrush. If you have a mouth guard, you can put it in the mouth guard. There's a bunch of ways to apply this. You can actually take saran wrap, put it on the saran wrap, put it against your teeth. A bunch of different ways. They give you a bunch of it, 10 milliliters to use. Carefully remove any excess from your gums with a vitamin E swab before you treat. Yeah, that's the higher end kits. Like a lot of people complain, like they use their Crest White strips and they get very sensitive gums. And I've noticed, don't brush your teeth immediately before applying the whitening stuff because it can cause teeth sensitivity. But in this case, they were smart enough to give you vitamin E swabs that you can just essentially brush your gums and it keeps them from being sensitive. Place the LED light in your mouth and turn on. This will whiten your teeth faster. Keep the light on for no more than 30 minutes. Or 30 minutes. I actually paid, I think $45 at the Florida State Fair. They had a little booth and you go in and they take one of these lights and you just sit there for 30 minutes. Not something you want to do at the fair. Probably better off just having your own at home. Very powerful light. Good price. So after 30 minutes, rinse your mouth out 2 or 3 times. Use as needed. Do not exceed more than 1 treatment a week. For best results, use the stain eraser prior to whitening, which is sold separately. So we've got a pretty neat kit here, and it'll show you the befores and afters, and I'm going to not show you the step-by-step me using it. That gets a little boring. I know you don't want to see that. However, I will show you the before and after images of me using the teeth whitening. I've got pretty white teeth to begin with, but the truth is, every so many months, you have to get a good teeth whitening kit and just brighten up your teeth a bit. If you aren't using teeth whitening at least every 6 months, you're probably not doing your teeth any favors. If you're a smoker, you drink tea or coffee, you definitely want to do that. Now my personal tips, if I drink a soda, I drink it through a straw. I try to drink as much water as possible. I do try to use some sort of teeth whitening at least. Just whenever I start to see them get a little dingy, I will see a little yellow around the edges and stuff. I'll use some teeth whitening just like this. And for all intents and purposes, try to avoid coffee, avoid tea, and avoid any colas on your front teeth. And if you do drink, try to make sure it hits your tongue first and avoid touching the teeth that everyone see. So anyway, folks, a solid product, and the reason why Vegan Style is a top-end product, because somehow they were smart enough, and they're the first I've ever seen do this, to turn the charcoal into a toothpaste. That's ingenious. They give you a toothbrush just for that, real smart. Give you a whole mess of the teeth whitening. I don't know if that's considered peroxide, but stuff works really well. Little brush for it. This will save you some money. It's bright as can be, right? Can you guys see that? And then they also give you the cotton swabs to avoid any sort of sensitivity. So again, go ahead and check it out. Solid product. I recommend it. We'll put links in the description below. We'll show you the before and after. And thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Adam. This is 911 Reviews. And if you like our review, go ahead and click that like button. And if you watch this far, you owe me a subscribe, right? Thanks for watching, and we are out of here. Adios, amigos.